But the main key that I want to get across here is stop restricting energy into your body. Okay. So many people have it wrong. They look in the mirror and they go, shit, I need to lose weight, but they're feeling way worse. And they should be focusing on feeling better than focusing on a physical appearance thing. Because as you get healthier, you can do more. And as you do more, you're burning more energy. And as you do that, you are naturally going to lose more weight. But like I said, Rowena, she's not pushing herself. She's not, sweating on the treadmill. She doesn't need to do that, okay? Because she's focusing on building her health. She's doing restorative movement and strengthening in her body, okay? If you can't move right now, don't even focus on that. That's not what you should be focusing on. Inside our program, we have at least a 6-week to 2-month period, especially when you start, where I'll say, if you're not ready for movement, don't even go there. Focus on daily function. Okay, focus on calming your nervous system down, re-energizing your body and refueling it. And that will help so much. So, it's a pretty amazing feat for Rowena to post this as proof, like, hey, it works. Haven't been on a diet and I'm losing weight. So I hope this kind of changes your perspective around weight loss, because it literally can be life-changing. And the main focus here is to not focus on losing weight. It's to focus on building your health. And when you just focus on that, you're just going to start to feel better. Okay. You just see it all the time, this yo-yo diet, and it's not your fault. So another member said to me yesterday, she's like, I've got a great understanding of diets, but I have no understanding of nutrition. And it's like, she perfectly summed it up. Shout out to Natalie, perfectly summed it up. So I said to her, forget about the diets, focus on your nutrition and, getting energy into your system. Okay. So one of the biggest things that we talk about is food is fuel.